Prepare to go on an adventure that will take you through China's revolutionary megaprojects where innovation and ambition come together. You will have the opportunity to discover huge telescopes, high-speed rail networks, and towering bridges that redefine magnificence. Find out about the significance of these initiatives, the problems they provide, and the transformative influence they have. Are you ready to look on while the miraculous unfolds before your very eyes? Let's have a look.
Been passed in the field of bridge construction. Walking on the bridge above the gorge, one appreciates what cutting-edge technology has made possible.
The Beipanjiang Bridge. With the construction of the Beipanjiang Bridge, which is the tallest bridge in the world, China's efforts to achieve engineering excellence reached new heights. This architectural marvel, which spans the gorge of the Beipan River, unites the provinces of Yunnan and Guizhou in the southwest region of China. It is a tremendous accomplishment in the field of bridge construction that the project, which began in 2013 and was finished in 2016. The site of the Beipanjiang Bridge provided engineers and construction personnel with a number of construction obstacles that were difficult to overcome in order to navigate the canyon's depth of nearly 1,200 feet, which is a startling vertical distance of 1,854 feet from the deck to the earth below. Creative architectural solutions were necessary. The intricacy of the project was further increased by the fact that the location is prone to experiencing earthquake activity and extremely strong winds. In order to address these obstacles, engineers utilized cutting-edge technology and innovative engineering processes. In order to create the two enormous pillars that support the bridge, careful planning and precise engineering were required. In order to guarantee the structure's capacity to withstand severe weather and maintain its stability, specialized materials and building techniques were applied. The building of the Beipanjiang Bridge has considerably increased communication throughout the region and has made it easier for economic development to take place. Because it shortens the amount of time it takes to travel between Yunnan and Guizhou, the bridge has improved both accessibility and the efficiency of transportation. Furthermore, it serves as a demonstration of China's competence in engineering and its capacity to execute gigantic infrastructure projects. China's ability to undertake massive infrastructure projects like the Beipanjiang Bridge showcases its economic prowess and technological advancement. This economic strength allows China to compete with the United States in various sectors, potentially challenging American dominance in areas such as construction, engineering, and infrastructure development. China's investment in large-scale infrastructure projects not only enhances its domestic connectivity, but also extends its influence abroad through initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative. The BRI aims to develop infrastructure and connectivity across Asia, Africa, and Europe, potentially reshaping global trade routes and economic dynamics. This could pose a challenge to American influence in regions where China expands its presence. China's ability to leverage cutting-edge technology and engineering techniques in projects like the Beipanjiang Bridge highlights its progress in innovation. As China continues to invest heavily in research and development, it may emerge as a global leader in areas such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and telecommunications, posing a challenge to American technological dominance. China's infrastructure projects, including bridges, tunnels, and high-speed rail networks, have strategic implications beyond their immediate economic benefits. They enhance China's mobility and logistical capabilities, potentially bolstering its military posture and ability to project power regionally and globally. This could contribute to strategic competition between China and the United States in areas such as the South China Sea and the Indo-Pacific region. Considering the challenging terrain and environmental factors, what do you think were the most ingenious engineering solutions employed in building the Beipanjiang Bridge? The Taihu Tunnel. Can you picture the engineering marvels used to construct the Taihu Tunnel despite geological complexities? The Taihu Tunnel is yet another outstanding example of engineering that may be found beneath the placid waters of Taihu Lake. Located in Jiangsu Province, this underwater tunnel connects the cities of Wuxi and Suzhou along a distance of around 6.5 kilometers, which is equivalent to approximately 4 miles. Following a period of 5 years of development, the Taihu Tunnel was finally finished in 2011. This tunnel represents a great advancement in the field of transportation infrastructure. In terms of its technical specifications, the Taihu Tunnel is made up of two separate tubes, each of which has 2 lanes to facilitate vehicular traffic. Its construction has earthquake-resistant characteristics, making it capable of withstanding seismic shocks of up to 8.0 magnitude. In order to construct the tunnel, substantial planning and strict attention to safety regulations were required. The construction of a tunnel beneath Taihu Lake faced a number of unique obstacles, including geological complexity and environmental constraints. Because of the difficult geological formations and the soft mud that was present on the lake bottom, the engineers had to use specialist building techniques and equipment in order to complete the project. The completion of the Taihu Tunnel has had a significant and positive influence on the accessibility and connectivity of the surrounding region. Through the tunnel, the travel time between Wuxi and Suzhou has been substantially reduced, going from more than an hour to just 10 minutes. This has resulted in improved transportation and economic integration through the tunnel. The fact that it acts as an essential link between important urban centers contributes to increased productivity and the promotion of development. What economic benefits do you believe the Taihu Tunnel has brought to the surrounding region? High-speed rail network. As a result of China's aspiration to establish a high-speed rail network of world-class caliber, the country's transportation environment has been significantly altered. According to projections, the network covered over 22,000 miles of track, making it the largest and fastest high-speed rail network in the whole world. Both the patterns of travel and the development of the economy have undergone significant transformations as a result of the realization of this ambitious project. Technological developments. The high-speed rail network in China makes use of cutting-edge technology in order to attain amazing speeds and overall efficiency. Trains that can move at speeds of up to 217 miles per hour connect major urban centers, hence lowering the amount of time spent traveling and improving connection. Dedicated high-speed rail lines, contemporary stations, and cutting-edge signaling systems are all components of the network's complex infrastructure. There has been a significant impact on travel patterns as a result of the advent of high-speed rail, which has transformed travel within China by providing an alternative to air and road transit that is quick, dependable, and accommodating. By connecting cities and regions, the network makes it easier for people to travel for business, tourism, and commercial purposes. As an additional benefit, it has prompted economic expansion along its routes, which has resulted in the creation of prospects for development and investment. The high-speed rail network in China has been met with a number of problems and complaints. Despite the fact that it has been very successful, concerns have been made over the accessibility of the event, the cost of tickets, and the impact on the environment. In addition, concerns have been voiced regarding the network's ability to remain operational over the long run, considering the huge amount of energy it consumes and the amount of money it requires to maintain.
Deep in the Chinese countryside, the world's largest telescope has been taking shape.
FAST. The 500-meter aperture spherical telescope, which is the largest single-dish radio telescope in the world, may be found tucked away in the gorgeous terrain of Guizhou province. In the realm of astronomical science and exploration, the FAST spacecraft, which has a diameter of 500 meters, represents a huge leap forward. What groundbreaking discoveries has the FAST telescope enabled in astronomy? The significance of FAST in the field of science lies in the fact that its enormous size and sensitivity make it possible for it to record faint radio signals from astronomical objects with incredible clarity. The investigation of pulsars, the hunt for extraterrestrial intelligence, and the investigation of the beginnings of the universe are the core goals of this organization. The enhanced capabilities of FAST have already resulted in groundbreaking findings in the field of astronomy, which has contributed to an expansion of our understanding of the universe. The building of FAST requires careful planning and execution in order to be properly carried out. The large dish of the telescope was assembled by engineers and scientists who worked tirelessly over the course of 5 years. Additionally, cutting-edge technology was implemented for the purpose of data collection and processing. A substantial commitment to scientific study and exploration is represented by the FAST program, which has received an investment of around $180 million. In terms of its influence on the field of astronomy, it has become a shining example of scientific innovation, drawing in researchers and astronomers from all around the world. Numerous discoveries have been made as a result of its capability to detect feeble signals from faraway galaxies and pulsars, which has contributed to the advancement of our understanding of the cosmos. Through its efforts to push the limits of astronomical study, the FAST program helps to solidify China's status as a pioneer in the field of space exploration. How does FAST contribute to our understanding of pulsars and the origins of the universe? The megaprojects that China is working on are the epitome of technological innovation and engineering prowess. These projects demonstrate China's aspiration and vision for the future, and they range from huge telescopes and high-speed rail networks to towering bridges and undersea tunnels. China has redefined worldwide perceptions of its capabilities and transformed its infrastructure as a result of its ability to overcome severe hurdles and push the boundaries of what is feasible. China is reaffirming its position as a global leader in engineering and innovation by continuing to embark on ambitious megaprojects. These projects will shape the globe for years to come. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.